lights flashing, I got traffic stopped, and Highway 11's done turned into a permanent roadblock. I wasn't driving, my wife was my DD, and she hadn't drank a drop, still got hassled by the JPD. And I said, hey dude, can't you just leave her alone? She ain't done nothing wrong, man, and we just wanna go home. Whoa, whoa. And I was mad as hell, thinking, fuck the po-po. And I wonder why folks don't trust him no more. Whoa, and I'm not gonna let this go. And I'm singing, fuck the po-po. I got arrested just for speaking up, and that cop said, boy, the only right you have is to shut the fuck up. Now I'm a jailbird, I've done time in the pen, and I got a real messed up story to tell all my friends. Yeah, my name was in the newspaper in my hometown. They ruined my reputation because I didn't bow down. Hell no. And now I'm mad as hell, singing, fuck the po-po. And they wonder why folks don't trust them no more. Whoa, and I'm not gonna let this go. And I'm saying, fuck the po-po, yeah. Two fingers in the air for the JPD, the long arm of the law coming down on me. Now I understand why all those rappers are mad. They must have been treated as badly as I have. Now I'm screaming thug like, fuck the po-po, shooting birds out the window whenever the cops go by. They put roadblocks in front of my house, man. Starting to feel like I live under the Taliban. Can't drive home without a gun in my face. Thursday through Sunday, they're invading my space, telling me it's for my sake. They're keeping the streets safe, but getting the drunks off of the highway. But I say, man, that's a big fucking lie. It's all about the money from the DUIs. Otherwise, they'd be parked out in front of this bar, giving free breathalyzers before we get in our cars. Instead, they just hide about 3 miles away, sit and wait for one of us to make a mistake. Drink a little too much, you'll be cuffed and stuffed and probably roughed up if you complain enough. You'll be carted off to jail in the land of the free, another victim of the overzealous JPD. Now don't get me wrong, I don't mean disrespect. There's a lot of good cops who serve and protect. They boldly put their lives on the line to protect our rights and give us peace of mind. But for every cop who thinks his badge is a crown, this song's for you and I'll never bow down now. Cause I'm mad as hell, saying, fuck the po-po. Whoa, and I'm not gonna let this go. And I'm saying, fuck the po-po, yeah. Fuck the po-po, yeah. Fuck the po-po. Thank you very much. It feels very good to come in here and play a complete show for you guys. This song is based on a true story. Once upon a time there was a man who traveled around with a guitar in his hand. For the sake of the story, we'll say his name is Corey, the point of which I'm sure you'll understand. One night in Chattanooga, Tennessee, he drew fire from the local authorities. Strangely enough, he didn't break any laws, they just said he pissed the wrong guy off. At a bar called Rhythm and Blues, Corey pulled a crowd, though the crowd wasn't huge, he was happy as hell. He was loving his life, making money for his children and his wife. Then in came a badge in his badge. He couldn't find the culprit to vent his rage, so he blamed Corey in the song he was singing on the stage. Keep in mind, Corey didn't know about the card for the beer until after the show. But when it all came to an end, they said he never played Chattanooga again. Flash forward 5 long years. Well, Corey turned out to have a hell of a career. When a new club opened off Market Street, they invited Corey there just after opening.